Laurie Williams here with Smart Biz Bugle, and today I want to talk to you about responsive website design and why that's important for your business website. So if you're not a designer, you may not recognize the term responsive website design, but it's exactly what that means. It's responsive. It responds to the size of the screen the viewer is looking at. So as a designer, we have to develop websites that will work across multiple screens. Traditionally in the past, when mobile first came about and we needed to address this issue, the solution was to actually create two separate websites. One that viewed well on a desktop and another that viewed well on tablets or mobile phones. So that is a lot of extra work. It was costing our customers a lot more money because of time. You know, time equals money, and in design, the more time it takes to develop a website, the higher the cost. So that's where responsive website design comes in. Responsive website design actually takes the concept of mobile first, the least common denominator, and we design websites with mobile in mind. We have the ability to create websites that are programmed on the fly to scale to the size of the screen. This means that things like images and text will appear correctly and easy to read on a screen regardless of whether the viewer is looking at your website on a desktop or if they're looking at your website on a mobile device. We design one website that works across all platforms. Another big advantage of creating a site that is mobile designed is it actually keeps your visitors on the site longer. They're scrolling through if they're looking at it on a mobile device. If they're looking at it on a desktop, the pages tend to be a little longer. There's more content per page, and the user is actually interacting if they're on a mobile a little bit longer. So it keeps the visitors on your site longer. The amount of time a person stays on your website and interacts with your website is one of the factors that help you with search engine rankings. But not only that, Google favors websites that are responsive, and they even have a tool, and I'll leave a link for you in the comments here, that you can go check and make sure that your website and your web pages are mobile friendly, and it's a Google tool called the Mobile Friendly Tool. If after using the Google Mobile Friendly tool on your website, you determine that your website or some of the pages on your website are not mobile friendly, I recommend addressing this sooner rather than later. It really does impact your search engine optimization, but more importantly, it impacts your user experience. Statistics show that when a user comes to your website and they're on a mobile device and they can't read, or they're having to swipe left and right on your content, they will immediately leave the site. This looks bad, and Google tracks this information. This looks bad to Google, signals Google that your website is not valuable or useful to users, and so it may not show up as well in search results. But also, you just want to make sure you're getting the information. You've worked really hard to put the information about your business together, and you want to portray your messaging and your branding. Why not make sure that you're doing that in the best light for the user that is using your website? So here at Trumpet Marketing, every website we build is responsive, and we actually take that in consideration from the start. And we build out your website. We reframe content we need to make it display a certain way on desktop and display it totally different on a mobile device, we will. In some situations that is the case. But the most important thing is mobile friendliness or responsiveness, we use those terms interchangeably, matter. And so it's something that we recommend that you address. If you have any questions or you need any help with yours, you can always give us a call. We're happy to help here at Trumpet Marketing. Everyone, have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. If you found value in this video and what I had to say here today, and you're watching us here on YouTube, then right below is a subscribe button, and you can subscribe to our channel and be notified every time that we post. And we promise to continue to bring you valuable information that will help you understand the world of web design and digital marketing and how to get the most out of your internet marketing.